Hi everyone, it's Claire. I have had a huge order come in. I've been working on it on and off over the weekend. Everything is now on the website. Thank you so much for all your orders over the weekend. I had an offer for 10% off a £10 spend. So those of you that have taken advantage, thank you so much. We really appreciate your orders, it really helps. I've extended the offer until Sunday now. So all the new stock you're about to see, you can use if you spend over £10. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the beginner, and I use lots of these supplies that you will see in tutorials, and I do tend to put them into small handy size packs. You'll see if you watch this video what I've done with, I've got quite a few seed beads that have come in. So let's get to it. First up, we have these acrylic, they're pumpkin shape acrylic beads, 8mm. I thought they're very colourful. So that was those. Big bag. I've restocked the 18-inch wax cord necklaces. Little packs of Christmas seed beads, and what I've done is I've split them up into, I think they're 11-gram packs. And I thought it'd be, if I do get back, I want to do some Christmas tutorials, so they'll be ideal for some little Christmassy projects. So rather than obviously buy a big like this, I'm going to keep this one for myself, unless the others sell, and then I'll buy another one. We have some lovely glass emerald green seed beads. We'll notice I have a lot of Halloween type beads, and they've been delayed in getting to me. They've been stuck in customs, so they will just go for next year. I did want to make a Halloween bead mix as well, but it's too late now. So we've got these lovely orange 2mm seed beads. We've got yellow, that's just black on the outside. There is another one of those. Okay, so we've got some 8mm acrylic green beads, pearl beads, and I thought I bought these to make a Christmas bead mix up. I always do mixes for Christmas and Halloween. There's the red. This was the nearest I could get that was in stock to like a goldeny colour. I have ordered silver, but they're out of stock, but they're now on their way to me. So that's those. We have some blue mix, blue bead mix. These are glass. I'll put some photos up for you so you can see a lot clearer. These are lilac. And again, what I've done is I've split the packs up to make, so you've got handy little packs. We've got green. We've got these, again hard to see. We have them in blue. Pink and magenta. These are for the Euro bead bracelets. Lovely sparkly beads. those are a restock. We have the stainless steel hearts, and they can be engraved with an initial. So those are restocks. And I've also got 2 Handmade with Love European charms. We have these. They're called pumpkin. I must put some oil on my chair, it keeps squeaking. Pumpkin beads. Again, I'll put a photo. But I also did buy orange. Again, Halloween. Oh, there's another packet of yellow seed beads. These are good for when I love daisies. I want to make some daisy beading tutorials as well. And these, oh, they're fab. Let me just open them up for you so you can see. For Halloween. Such a shame these didn't come in time. But these will be going into a Halloween bead mix. And purple. I mean, just one of those, you can make lovely earrings. Add a couple of beads each side. Okay, we have these lovely purple. I love the colour of these. I hope they come through on the camera. We have a blue mixed seed beads. We have a purple and lilac mix. We have some 6mm acrylic silver pearls. The other ones were 8mm that I'm waiting for the silver. Again, Halloween for the bead mixes. Such a shame. These are for the European beads. They sold out. Someone bought all of them last time. So I've restocked with another 10 of those. So take a look, because they're great for making Christmas presents. And everything you can buy singly, you don't have to buy packs or anything. I got the bracelets to go with them. We have some basic silver and gold 18-inch. No, that's 16, so I've already got 18, and gold 18-inch necklace chains. I use those myself. We have some clear AB shimmer beads. Those are acrylic as well. I have some yellow. Those are also shimmer. These are for a Christmas bead mix, which I will get round to making. And then we've got these. There's snow. These have got snowflakes, and those have stockings, Christmas stocking. Those are Christmas stockings. These are available in individual colours, and I bought more because they really are pretty. Especially when you hold them up to the light as well. You can, probably can't see, but there's all different colours. Black you can't see through, but those are pretty. And they've got gold etching on them, and they're acrylic. So I bought these in mixed bags, but I've separated and added all the colours on for you. So if you just wanted to buy one, you can. Needed some more rose gold jump rings. Those are 5mm. when I was going through my stock the other day, I found one of these inside that had been put in by mistake, and I thought it really cheered me up. So I went in search for them, and I was searching high and low to find these actual ones, and I've tracked them down. So I've ordered them in gold and silver, but they're smiley face charms, and they're really good quality, so I hope the ones that come will be good quality as well. It's a new supplier, so I don't know what they'll be like. We've got some more gold and silver 5mm crimp bead covers. I don't know if you've been watching my tutorials on how to use them, but these are available in packs of 25. And then we have these. I bought these for myself, and I've got these colours of pink and purples, and these are more browns, black, white, gold, silver. These are 2mm seed beads. I believe there's 1,000 in each one. I'm not sure if anyone would like me to stock these. Price wise, I think these were £3, which you think absolute bargain, but the delivery charges was more than I paid for the actual beads. It's something like £4 to get it delivered. Now on top of that, you've got VAT, possible customs charge. I didn't with this order. And for me to sell, I've got the website fees to pay, payment processing fees. It all adds up. So I will have to work out, obviously for sending as well. I'm not sure that would go as a large letter, so it then bumps up to a parcel postage. But I'll have a look and work it out and see what you think. So if this is something you think you would be interested in, let me know in the comments below, because I don't want to stock them if nobody wants to buy. But I've had lots more elastic as well. I didn't have enough hands with me, enough hands to carry up, but everything is on the website. As I say, spend £10 or more and you get 10% off. Any handmade jewellery is free postage, so you can grab yourself a bargain. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.